And we made it. It's Saturday. It's going to be a fun one. Really hoping that the weather looks nice today. Let's go through this. Saturday, April 4th, warm up. 1 round, 20 glute bridges. Now, if you want to make those a little bit harder, you can make them single leg glute bridges, do 10 and 10, or 20 of both at the same time. 10 straight leg sit-ups. Okay, so keeping your legs straight on the ground. I highly suggest moving your arms overhead, touching the ground, and then bring them forward, try and touch your toes. 15 body weight good morning. So no implement here, you're just gonna bow forward while keeping your legs and back straight into 20 alternating body weight lunges. Those can be forward, reverse, walking, just as long as you're switching your feet each rep. Okay, then we're gonna go into 2 rounds, 10 and 10 single leg glute bridge. So like I said before, up here, if you needed to do that down here, single leg, 5 and 5 Turkish sit-ups with a light dumbbell or kettlebell. So that's the setup like a Turkish get-up, but you're stopping after the sit-up. So that dumbbell is going to be over your head, you'll be sitting up and then coming back down. 10 Russian kettlebell swings and 10 alternating goblet reverse lunges. So that's holding a weight at your chest and lunging backwards. Okay, let's get into our workout. And here are our workout versions. So at the top here, we have 3 sets of timed intervals. Okay, so 2 minutes, max Russian kettlebell swings. Okay, so you're doing as many kettlebell swings as you could do in 2 minutes. That does not mean it has to be unbroken. You can do 10, put it down, pick it back up. You don't need to keep moving for 2 minutes, but if you can, good for you. All right, into 2 minutes max dumbbell, kettlebell, goblet, or reverse lunges. This one is actually going to be the killer part of the workout. Weighted reverse lunges. Don't go too fast. Keep a nice even pace with this. Okay, and you should be hitting it the same number every round. Into max dumbbell, kettlebell, Turkish get-up. Okay, now 2 minutes, you might only get 1 on each side. You may get 2 on each side, unless you're going really light and know the movement very well. You might get 3 on each side in 2 minutes. Okay, you're going to switch arms every repetition. So you're going to do 1, get up, come down, switch hands, do 1, get up, come up, switch hands. That's going to slow that down a lot too. Okay, 1 minute rest between sets. So right here after the 1, 2, 3, you're going to do 1 minute of rest and then repeat it, okay, for 3 sets. Score is total number of reps, okay? Now, here in the non-equipment version, if you just have a backpack, you can do backpack swings, single dumbbell swings, backpack alternate reverse lunges. You can hold the backpack at your chest or even throw it on your back, and then backpack Turkish get-ups, so holding that in your hands and doing Turkish get-ups. You can also substitute, one of my favorite versions of the get-up is holding your foot on your hand and try and balance something on your hand while you do these sit-ups, okay? As opposed to grabbing a weighted implement, go really light and try and balance something on your hand, all right? Switch arms at the 1 minute point down here, okay? 1 minute rest between sets, it's the same. All right, so we're gonna get into the finisher. And here we are with the finisher. It's 2 to 3 sets of 8 and 8 single arm high pulls. So that is just kind of like the start of the dumbbell snatch. Okay, so it's half of the dumbbell snatch. 30 flutter kicks. So this is a favor of the Navy SEALs, doing flutter kicks. So just moving your feet up and down, keep them close to the ground. The higher they get, the easier the movement is. The closer to the ground, the harder the movement is. And then 8 and 8 half kneeling strict press. So that's in a lunge position, knee on the ground, and you're pressing off your shoulders, okay? Just a dumbbell or a kettlebell, half kneeling strict press, okay? 8 on each side, repeat that. Okay, there's no measure to this. It's just a finisher. Don't have to go too fast or too heavy with this. All right, enjoy your Saturday. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow for Sunday. Next are demos.